we work on the development of functional coatings, coatings with ability to respond to triggers from the media. They are also called smart coatings. These coatings rely on the ability to have small materials inside the coating and release in a controlled way active species to protect the substrate covered with that coating against corrosion or anti-fouling, among other applications. So we start by developing these coatings in a first stage with selection of the active species, the corrosion inhibitors. Electrochemical assessment of those compounds in contact with the substrate to see if they can act to protect the metal. Second stage, selecting those species, we try to immobilize them into the micro-nanomaterials we used, which we call micro-nano containers. These materials are later incorporated in coating model formulations to try to assess then the modified coating and see if we can impart the smart coating functionalities. These materials have been used in different industries, including automotive, aeronautical and maritime industry, and the idea is to replace traditional coatings which are built with toxic and harmful compounds. So the materials we are trying to develop are more environmentally friendly. The idea is to have a high performance compared to existing technologies.